How to add page border in Microsoft Word. So if you want to add a page border in your Microsoft Word, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Microsoft Word at first and go with a document. Once you're in your document, you need to go with design, which is on the top left. And from the design here on the right side, you will have page borders. You need to click on it. After that, you can select box, shadow, 3D, custom, any option that you're comfortable with. In my case, I'll select box. And then you can go with style. You can select the style in which you want to add the border, and then you can go with color. In my case, I'll go and select green, and then the width, I'll select 3. And after that, you can go with art. If you want to, you can add any art that you're comfortable with. And once you've selected your art here, you will have your preview, how it looks like, and then you can apply this to your whole document or the first page or first paragraph or the section or except the first page. I'll go with the whole document and then go with OK, and that's it. That's how you can add a page border in Microsoft Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.